First order differential equation, the format that we use is dy dx plus bani p at x y is equals to p at x. Right, as well. So this is the format that we use. Is it? Alright. So I'm a first order differential equation. They appear in this format. Now format I'm a first order differential equation. So say we have got dy dx. Actually, first order simply means we see the highest derivative is the what? The first derivative. So dy dx plus p at x times y is equals to bani q at x. So we say when you're having a first order differential equation, when the first derivative y with respect to x as the first term, then the next term must be a function of bani, a function of x. After the next term or a function of x, you must multiply this by a function of bani, y. Uy wako must be raised to the power of bani, to the power of 1 at large. Uy wako must be raised to the power of 1 or 0. So if y wako is raised to the power of 2, it's not a first order linear differential equation. So basically, once y wako is raised to something like y to the power of 2, that's not a linear equation. You cannot solve it. That's now a Bernoulli one. So this one is a what? Is a first order. If it happens, you see the exponential is 1, normal is what? Is 0. Y. We check the exponent y equation. And then lana we've got only the function of bani, the function of x as our non-homogeneous solution. So let's just say if we are having this as the format, we must always know how to find integrating factor, which is found by e to the power of integral of p at x dx. Alright. I see applying lentolena so that it makes more sense, right? So let's just say I've got the first example lana from one of the quizzes and tests. Dy dx plus y. So dy dx plus y is equals to e to the power of negative x. So number one thing, we are born to learn this is dy dx. So it means the highest order derivative, the first order. But now you check linearity. Wonka variables y lana, they are raised to the power of bani 1. They must be raised to the power of 1. What else is raised to the power of 2? We follow the method. In this case, y is raised to the power of 1. So essentially, this is a what? A first order differential equation. As it relates to the format is now la pi peso. So not dy dx, right? And then swe no bani, swe no p at x. P at x is no ban lan 1. So p at x is a function of x that is multiplied to what? To y. In this case, y is multiplied to 1. So essentially, u1 way to u-bani, p at x. So a function of x can be a constant nakon. Simply means that it's x raised to the power of 0. Yes. And then on the other side, a function of x. In this case, this is e to the power negative x. It's a function of x. So this qualifies for us to solve it. So what do we need to do now? We find it as the integrating factor. So to find a solution differential equation, you find the integrating factor, which is given by e to the power of the integral of p at x dx. So Lana, this is e to the power of, if we integrate to p at x with 1, this will be the integral of 1 dx. If we integrate that to e to the power of x. So this is known as any integrating factor. So integrating factor here, when do you use it? How do we use it? You multiply the entire equation using the integrating factor. So each part of the differential equation, so you multiply no e to the power x. So e to the power of x dy dx plus e to the power of x times y is equals to e to the power of negative x times e to the power of x. So you multiply each and every part of your equation, or you multiply the integrating factor 9. And then when you multiply the entire part, you will only find out this left hand side of isolution yakho isuke iyini, isuke iyi product rule expansion. It's always a product rule expansion. Mawufollow kahle ama process, because here if you realize, if we say e to the power of x, e to the power of x times y, masingathi siyayidifferentiate lento lena with respect to x. If y is a function of x, according to calculus 1, if y is a function of x, and then e to the power x is also a function of x, mase differentiate lento le sebenzisa ini, i-product rule. Sayibona ngisho. So you will differentiate ubani u-e to the power of x qala, bese multiply nobani no y, bese u-differentiate ubani u-y, bese multiply nobani no e to the power of x. Siyabona lento kanjalo. Yes, so please remember product rule apply kanjani in this case. So essentially lana kuhlezi kuyi-expansion yani ye-product rule. But uzobona kanjani ke wena ke, the simplest way of getting this form from this form wenza kanjani, awuvele uthathe u-e to the power x nalo y ubahlanganise and just say this is the derivative of x kabani ka e to the power of x times y. Awuvele uthathe le integrating factor uyifake phakathi ehlangane nalo y and then say ddx. If we expand this kumele kubuyisele lapha exactly. I'm just making things simpler, but you can see now when we expand using a product rule, if y is a function of x, e to the power x is a function of x, most of the product rule land, we're gonna get this outcome. So lana ke sinobani sinale case len. So le right hand side, le left hand side yonke singayibhala kanjani ngale ndlela le. Yabonala lokho ngisho. So we can write it in this form. This is equal to, masingabona lana kuyafana ngisho lokho ko2. Or e to the power negative x ln, or e to the power of x, right? Ama same bases land. Maso add ama exponent to minus x plus x is ba 0. So e to the power 0 ubani 1. And then khumbulani masifuna ukuthola isolution ye differential equation, so sithola ini konje ifunction angisho. In other ways sifuna ukuthola ubani lana y. Function yethu is either y noma mangathi u-f of x indlela yokurepresent i-function le. So here to find lana, how can we find y masinalo ddx? We integrate both sides angisho. So masinga integrator on both sides of the equation. If we integrate on both sides, siyazi ukuthi i-integral ne-derivative they always inverses of one another, they cancel each other out. Sayibona ngisho. So manga integrator this side with respect to x, izocancel i-derivative. Manga integrate this side with respect to x, ngizothola i-answer. So mangayenza njalo ke lana, ngizosala nobani lana, e to the power x times y is equals to bani x. But this is an indefinite integral plus bani plus c. Bese solve for ubani lapho y. So uy wakho there uzomthola nokudivide nobani no e to the power x on all sides. Ngeke ngisakukhombisa sesibadala kancane. So divide by e to the power x on each and every part. Sayibona ngisho. So lo x over e to the power of x plus c over bani e to the power x. Noma ungayibhala ibe linear kanjena kube ubani u-x e to the power of negative x plus c e to the power of negative x. Izovela kanjena ku quiz yakho esikhathini esiningi. So do you see how simple it is to solve a first order? But when aqinisekisa you check the following things, checka ukuthi le format le ya correspond noma yahambisana. Uchecka kanjani? Number one thing, kumele kube yini lena i-first order differential equation. Sibona kanjani ukuthi i-first order sine first derivative kuphela, asinayo i-second derivative noma i-third, asinayo lento ethi u squared y, no. It's first derivative first. And then uchecka in futhi, you check ukuthi is it a linear equation. Ubona kanjani ukuthi is linear? Ucheck ukuthi bonke abo y onabo lapha ba raised to the power 1 noma to the power 0 yini. If ba raised to the power 0 vela ngeke baziba ubhale y, but usuke khona yena. Use u1. But lana you check ukuthi wonke y onayo is it raised to the power 1. Once yaba raised to the power of 2 and above, it's no longer a first order. It means now a Bernoulli equation. Uzoshintsha ngenye indlela futhi leyo. But manje you check this first. Once you check ukuthi le format ya corresponda, sungenza njani? Sungaqala ke uthola ini integrating factor. Integrating factor uthola ukuthi uqala identify ubani uphi wakho. P at x uyifunction ka-x emultiply nobani no-y. Into eno-x emultiply nobani no-y. Sayayibona leyo nto angisho. Lana-ke in this case kule equation ayikho into esiyibonayo sino-x, but siyabona ukuthi lo y lo multiply nobani no-1. So ahlahle lo 1 lahlahle P at x wethu essentially. So uthole integrating factor is just e to the power P at x oku-1 dx. Why integrate u-dx uzothola ubani? U-x. So this is e to the power of x. Then you multiply every pass ye-equation with ubani? E to the power x, so integrating factor. Kukhona enye indlela esimplified. Mawuthi uyanqane ufollow yonke iprocess. Kani nginike indlela esimplified yokuthola y. Ithini konje? 1 over bani? 1 over integrating factor times integral kabani? I times qx dx plus c. So niyabona, so yonke le process ebesiyenza, the entire process that we did ukuthi mawuthole integrating factor uya multiply ngayo bese uya integrate bese uya divide bese uthole i-answer. This is one step kahle kahle. You can just take it as one step ube uthole y wakho. Y wakho uzomthanda wenza njani? Udinga integrating factor. U-q at x uyini konje? It is this side, ile side leli. Ile side leli, siyabona? So uzovele integrate yena. Kuyafana nokuthi wenze lokho esikwenzile. It's just that you wenze in what? One step. One step, multiple steps. Uzoyikhethela ke kodwa kuyake kube nezinto ezibizwa ngama marks lapha. So I think ukuthi kuyake kufuneka ukuthi uzame ukwaqoqa wona. Try to get marks. But ke yonke into esiyenzile you can just get it in this way. And walenza iphutha lana ku I times qx mhlawumbe wayenza ngendlela wrong ke access fault yomuntu. But ke if you follow a standard procedure sengikutshelile ukuthi always this side is a what? It's a product rule expansion. But mawungakuboni lokho awuvela uthi ddx ngaphandle. Uthatha e to the power x umhlanganise nalo y uwafaka ku bracket. Usuqedile. But essentially if you're going to differentiate lento lezo kubuyisela lana. Yabonala leyo nto ngisho. Yeah. So yenza esibili ke engathi mhlambe engathi ngaba complicated for me iphepha eli1. But kulena angeke ngize nginike yena uthi nizenzele because sazomosha isikhathi. Ngifuna ukuthi siqinise kakhulu kuBenuli nakuma second order. So we'll look at ama exam paper esinawo lana. Hi. Alright. Ngicela please siboneni ukuthi siyakwazi ukulibona yini iphutha la. Alright, sayibona le equation le seqaleni. Angibuze number 1, is it a first order differential equation then? Is it first order? Siqale lapho nje. I say first order. If first order not dy dx, that's the highest derivative. It's a first order. But is it linear? No, I call linear. Sayibona ngisho. If first order ngoba the highest derivative would dy dx. But injani, is it linear or not? It's not linear. Yini enza ukuthi ingabe linear le equation len? Y squared. Sise uy kuyo yonke equation, uy must be raised to the power of bani 1. So ungaqali uyenze lento ebesiyenza lapha lokho case number 1. Asibukeni le yesibili, is it a first order? Yes, it's a first order ngisho. Next, is this a linear? So you can use the method yethu leya. Checka lokho uthi ukuqala nje, those two things. So sesokwenza yona ke given that x is greater than 0. Shuthi ke ngizoyibhala ke mina lana. Ithi x dy dx, x dy dx plus 2y. So x dy dx plus 2y is equals to x to the power negative 3. X to the power of negative 3. Given that x is greater than 0. Angazi lo x is greater than 0, is it necessary or not? It's not necessary for ukusolve question. So lana ke ses identify this is a first order ngisho number 1 and number 2 is a linear equation. Choosini you can follow up. But ke I format esinayo is it le format le esifunayo thina? No. Because thina sifuna i-format kanjani? dy dx plus p at x times y angisho is equals to bani? Q at x. Nayi le format esifunayo thina. Okunye sesikucheckile, shuthi kahle thina sifuna ukuthi si-achieve this format of equation. Siyayibona leyo nto angisho. Si-achieve kanjani ke this format of equation? Let's see. Sinayo yini u-dy dx o-multiply no-1 lana? No. Siyawenza u-dy dx othi multiply nobani? No-x. So yini inkinga la? Ilo x. Senze njani ngayo? Divide ngayo. Sale nje sino-1 kuphela. Sifuna la sale no-dy dx o-multiplied nobani? No-1. Khona senza kahle. So this is dy dx plus 2 over x y is equals to x to the power minus 3 over x. Ma ungadivide no x lana sothola uba x to the power minus 4. So this is x to the power of minus 4. Nazo. So manje ke sesiyithenile into the form esifunayo. Nayi format esifunayo thina. Do you see the format that we need to achieve lana? All right. So now that we've achieved this format here, this is dy dx, dy dx. Lana we must have a function of x times y. Buka lana, what do we have? A function of x, nangu 2 over x, angesho. It is a function of x times ubani? Times y, or raised to the power 1 njalo. Y wakha ngabe raised to the power of 2 or anything else. Right, and on the other side, we want to create x okuyini, okuyi function ya x. Buka last nani? Function ya x. Siyayibona leyo nto angesho. So now that we've got this at place, what do we do get to solve our differential equation? What's the next step? Integrating factor angisho. So the integrating factor is equals to e to the power of integral of p at x dx lapha phezulu. And lana u p at x wethu ubani? Ilo 2 over x angisho. Because ile function of x multiply nobani? No y. So this is our integrating factor. I know we pala as I at x to say that the integrating factor is depending on x. Something like that. But again, if we do just that, this is e to the power of integral rabani, that 2 over x dx. Asenze nige integral that 2 over x dx ubani? 2 ln x angesho. E to the power of 2 ln x. Unga add to constancies unnecessary for this one. So lana ke this is e to the power of 2 ln x. Yini enye futhi esingayenza makunje? Okay, ngakhansela u-e no ln makunjena sir. Akukavumeleki. Angisho. Ngoba uln wami multiply nobani? No 2. Uln wami kumele multiply no 1. Khona ngisenza njani? Ngizokwazi ukukhansela u-e no ln. So I cannot cancel u-e no ln without u-coefficient ka ln being ubani? 1. So how do I get rid of the 2 lo mthi select no 1 lana? Take it up there. Remember uthi if we are having ln of mhlambe ln of a squared is the same thing as ubani? U2 ln a lento le. Shuthi kahle kahle if une coefficient ungakwazi ukuchintsha ibe yini? Be exponent argument yakho. Shuthi this is the same thing as e to the power of ln x squared. Siyayibona leyo nto angisho. Shuthi u-squared uyakwazi umthatha umenza abe u2 la as a coefficient, or you can take it and put it there as well. One of the laws ama-logarithmic. So lana suvumelekile yini ucancel? Yes, so this e and ln can now cancel. It's now allowed because the coefficient is what? 1. Once we cancel akusayilana, uzothola something like e to the power of 2x ibe wrong. Maybe e to the power of x squared. So lana ke if we cancel this out, the integrating factor ngano bani? No x squared. Yawonala lokho angisho. So see avoid le blunder le. This is a blunder. Please, this one, uln, you cannot cancel uln no e unless the coefficient of uln wakho is what? 1. And if the coefficient is not 1, wenza njani? Uyayinyusa uyisala as exponent. Then sungakwazi ucancela ke. You remain with what you remain with. So yiyona integrating factor yakho. Makwenza ukuthi mhlambe uyaxakeka awusakwazi ukusimplify. Mhlambe uxakeka ula sebenzisa le eziline integrating factor yakho. Multiply ngayo uqhubeke with the process. Ngenzeka ukuthi ukhumbule ukuthi kumele kucanceleke. Noma ungakhumbuli nakhona but still into yakho ibe correct nanoma ungayi expressanga kahle. So lana, what do we do after finding integrating factor konje? Say multiply the entire equation and with integrating factor. So multiply the entire equation with integrating factor. So x squared dy dx plus bani x squared times lo 2 over x y angisho bese x squared times ubani x to the power negative 4. Now, so let's multiply the entire equation with the integrating factor ubani x squared. Now, all you have to do is to just simplify again. Lana yini si-recognize lana sino x squared sino x lana ngisho. X squared no x, what can happen lana? Yini engenzeka la between x squared no x? Singa-cancela ngisho. So I can write and say this x can just cancel. Ngisale nginobani lana? No x kuphela. So this is 2xy. So kahle kahle lana ngizosala nobani? No 2xy, simplified form. And lana this side ngitheni is always a product rule expansion. It's always. It's either uyayibona noma uyibona, but it's always a product rule expansion. And to express that as a form a compressed to d dx, uthatha lo x squared umhlanganisa nobani? No y. So uqedile. Is equals to, on the other side, these are like terms, right? Same basis. Mau multiply uzothola ubani lapho? X to the power minus 2. Siyayibona ngisho. Yes. If you do a product rule expansion of this, so try this again. But you don't have to do that because to compress it is simple. Thatha x squared umfake la kuno y khona in the same bracket, then you find the derivative with respect to x. Inzima yini manje? So what do I do to find the solution of a differential equation, which is y1? Integrate both sides. If I integrate this with respect to x on both sides, ngiyazi ukuthi i-derivative ne-integral zonanjani iyokhanselana. Salubani lana x squared no y, because this derivative and this integral cancels each other off. So on the other side, dx wami manga integrate lapha ngizothola uba minus x to the power minus 1. Okay, so this is plus bani plus c. Now, so this is minus 1 over x plus c. Uthola y wakho welani? Y uzodivide no x squared on every part angisho. Ne constant uyoyidivide ngo x squared lapha. Singakhohlwa lokho, divide by x squared. If you divide by x squared lana ngizothola ubani? I undivided ngo x squared. Divide by x squared. Minus x to the power of minus 3. Alright, and then this is plus. Now, sengibhala nje kule formula. This is your answer. It's a general solution lento le. Siyibizelani nge-general solution is because there is an unknown constant ubani u-c. Siyayibona ngisho. If they give you ama initial condition, bayokutshela ke, they will tell you maybe ukuthi y at 1 is 3. Shuthi when x is equals to 1, y ubani u3. You just substitute la kuno y khona ufaka ubani u3. La kuno x ufaka ubani u1. You solve for c, you get the answer. Straightforward, simple. Sayibona ngisho. That's first order differential equation kahle. Know how to solve it. Right? Know how to solve it. So uzowenza ke ama problems on your own. Ngenza ukuthi ube nesikhathi esanele to do problems on your own because manje it's just a revision. We are just doing an overview. All right. Angazi ibonakala kahle into. To those who can see it, asiqale la sisibonene. Is this a first order differential equation? Yes, not dy dx, right? Is it linear? No, there is y raised to the power 4. It's a no. So ungaqali ucinga abo integrating factor. I-Bernoulli equation. So once le format yalama paper vele iqala nge-Bernoulli, landele nge-linear, sesiyazi already. If they will continue the same format. That's the importance of practicing. More practice ubuka ama trends, ubuka nokuthi how are things set. But ama skills you must have them to identify. This is first order, but it's not linear. So it's a Bernoulli equation. Don't do it first order. The procedure is easy. Asiboneni lesibili. Is this a first order kwabayibonayo? Is this a linear equation? Yes. So wena-ke umsebenzi wakho-ke is to make it in that format and find the answer. You will do it on your own because I want us to focus on Bernoulli.